Today we see short sum from chapter number 1. One 3-mark sum is asked in board in section C. Textbook illustration number 1. This illustration is related with drawing. Before starting it, I want to give you some basic detail and information how you calculate such kind of sum. When any partner withdraw, means doing a drawing from the partnership firm, and if there is a charge on interest on drawing, if the drawing is done by partner monthly, then there are some rules for calculation of interest on drawing. If drawing is beginning of month, then you have to take 78 upon 12 months as n. Here when you put n value in the sum, you have to put 78 upon 12. Ending of months, then 66 upon 12. Here n is taken 66 upon 12. And if in board generally the beginning and ending sums are going to be asked, but if there is a middle of month, 15 days, then 72 upon 12 as n. When there is a monthly drawing sum is coming, you must find monthly drawing amount. If you have yearly drawing amount, then you have to divide by 12 and find it monthly based drawing amount. Without getting monthly drawing amount, you can't calculate this kind of sum. So we start from here. Hiral withdraws rupees 500 in the beginning of every month. In the beginning of every month. This word is very important in this sum. In the beginning of every month. It means this sum is based on drawing, but here the drawing is done at beginning of every month. So as n we are taking 78 upon 12. Rate of interest 10% per annum is chargeable on drawing. Determine annual drawing. This is your first question. And interest on drawing. This is your second question. So you have to give the two answers in this sum. Let's start. Here, first of all, we find I, interest on drawing. And the formula for calculation of drawing is PRN upon 100. P means principal amount, drawing amount. But the monthly based sums, so we must want monthly base withdraw, drawing amount. Is it with us? Yes, 500 rupees. R, 10%. And beginning of every month, beginning here, then 78 upon 12 into 100. आपको कैलकुलेटर लेना है और उसकी कैलकुलेशन करनी है, तो आपको आंसर मिलेगा 325. द आंसर इज कमिंग 325 एज ए इंटरेस्ट in the whole sum. This is most important and this is most important. It is monthly withdrawal and beginning of month hai, then you have to take 78 only. If there is an ending, then you have to put 66 upon 12, and if it is the middle of the month, 72 upon 12. Take care of this and this also, because if you have yearly withdraw drawing amount, then you have to divide it by 12 first and then put here monthly drawing amount. Okay. Now second answer, annual determining. Annual drawing is equal to monthly 500, in 1 year 12 months. Total withdraw for whole year is 6,000 rupees. Once again, here withdraw 500 rupees in the beginning of every month. It means we have P and the monthly basis. So it is not and it is not any problem to find monthly basis. We have already. R is equal to 10% chargeable on drawing determined, and annual withdrawing. Annual withdrawing means total withdraw for whole year. Total withdraw means 500 monthly into 12, 6,000. Second, interest on drawing. The formula for the interest on the drawing is equal to I is equal to PRN upon 100. Here P means monthly withdraw, 500 rupees. R means 10% per annum with the charge of the interest on the withdraw. 10%, and here and we are taking on the monthly basis because the drawing is done, withdraw is done on the beginning of every month. So we take 78 upon 12. So we put the all figure in this formula and get the answer of 325. Okay. If you want to do same sum, then practice